Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, check it out, see what's happening in the markets. I'll also look at the crypto markets. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. All my trading I'm doing on Bybit. The link is down below. You get a $4,500 bonus, and pay attention to MCRT. Make sure you look into it. All my audience, if do your own due diligence, look into MCRT, $MCRT. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals and turn off hotspot. Bitcoin having a bit of a bounce back. Perfect. Luckily, it's back above that line. My short failed earlier today, so that's why we had a 2% stop loss so we don't get wrecked. Oh, nice. It had a very strong bounce actually from 18,200 to 19,400. Massive move and then a correction, but it's actually bull flagging. That's a nice sign. It's actually bull flagging. So short term, it's oversold also on the 15 minutes. Short term, I'd be going this for a very short term trade. The target would be here. Actually, you could do it on the top of this downtrend line. It's big. This is kind of a descending broadening wedge that's getting bigger. So I'd actually put the target of the trade, I would do it from here. Stop loss just underneath this support here. So very little risk, always risking less than 2%. It's not about winning all the trades. It's about not risking much money on each of the trades and hitting big when you hit on your trade. Like when your trade is good, you want to maximize. So Bitcoin time to sell. I think by October here, this downtrend line from November 11th, November 11th, 2021, we've been downtrending. Now we're down here at 20K, 18K. That was the time to sell at 69K. If we can break through this red trend line, and it looks like it's coming to a point. We're back. Look at that. We're back above the line when we zoomed out. Had a big week down and big support. By October 6th, this line finishes. By October 6th, this line finishes. I expect that we could double bottom here, but by October 6th, this downtrend line comes to a halt. So let's see, on the daily we're oversold, 4 hourly we're oversold heading up, 15 minutes oversold, hourly slightly overbought but bull flagging. I would take this trade on Bitcoin. So opening it where we are right now, risking $186 to make $1,025 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be almost $10,000 of profits. That's a trade I would take. Let's see if the Bitcoin indicator bot fired buys. On the hourly, no. On the 4 hourly, yes. On the 4 hourly, it fired a buy before that big move. You get it in the master course. On the daily, not yet. So it's still expecting it goes down. But I wouldn't be like trying to sell big positions here. Down here, I would be trying to buy, and I would set my buy orders to go down. So for example, if you had, and we'll do the total crypto markets after this, so make sure you watch through the end. I would, actually on the weekly, it had a buy. Look at that. On the Bitcoin indicator bot on the weekly, look at that. If I had a sell up there, a buy down here, a sell, and then a buy down here. That is interesting. On the longer term time frame, on the weekly charts. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. 900 billion. If I had a sell up there before that big drop on the weekly times. And we came down to that support that we talked about, 834 billion. We came close. That was my target actually, where I thought we would go, one of the supports. It hasn't fired a buy yet, and it's actually trending down on the weekly, the total market cap. On the daily, oversold. Ascending broadening wedge it was before. Now we have something like this. This is the total market cap of all still an ascending broadening wedge. It can break down even more. The total market cap of all cryptos. If I look on the longer term time frame, most likely the market cap will come to here, and it will get a double bottom before we start moving up. So most likely in the next few days, it could move up from here, but most likely it will come to here in the longer term time frame, 768 and double bottom. And we actually need that to form a bottoming formation. Let's look in the shorter term time frame. In the shorter term time frame, bull flagging. So shorter term, we're going back for this $920 billion in the next few weeks or next few days. The total market cap of all cryptos. So that would be around a 4% move on total market cap. Let's look at the stock markets to see what's happening overall. Or the Nasdaq. And everyone pay attention after this video, research MCRT. Do your own due diligence, but research it. I am the founder of this project. Oh, interesting. On the longer term time frame, we're getting an inverse head and shoulders on the stock market. That's quite interesting. Weekly oversold, daily oversold, 4-hourly oversold. Stock markets also look like they're going to have a rebound, which is beautiful. And they're also kind of making this broadening wedge here on the stock market as well. It's ascending broadening wedge, but at the bottom of the wedge. Usually they break to the downside, but let's look on the 4-hourly. Big support here. Daily. I would assume that the market would actually come down to here, slightly less, like around there, but it's quite bottomed out here. I would actually be buying this inverse broadening wedge, inverse head and shoulders. This is the total market cap of the total stock markets. Pay attention to MCRT. This is the project I'm the founder of. It's down 5% today, holding about even on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's still $16 million market cap, so it's quite the difference between, for example, Axie Infinity or a lot of the big projects. So like Ethereum, let's see Ethereum. We want to be the Ethereum for gaming. Ethereum has $162 billion market cap. Let's look at Axie, like a comparable game, the play to earn games. They have a $1 billion market cap. So with $100 million of volume, it's amazing. Magicraft, even though our game is much better actually, if you look at the research the two yourself, you'll make the same. Market cap 16.6 million. We have massive volume coming in. Big bounce back off that bottoming. Interesting. There was a big amount look at that. After we double bottomed here at around 1 cent, then huge volume started coming in. Look at that, 600,000, 700,000, 824 hours. A lot of buying up. In the longer, the last 3 months, still massively up. Pay attention to MCRT. And currently staking in the Magicraft protocol, the staking contract, app.magicraft.io, you can stake and you get APR, so percent per year, 27%. 486 million MCRT is currently staked. Different bonuses and lockup periods. You can get it also on PancakeSwap. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what I think is going to happen in the market. Oh, I just posted. I want to say, who are the gurus, my audience? This is who you guys are. Who's watching this channel? Most of you are 25 to 54 years old, so 25 to 54-year-old. Most of you being 35 to 44. You're 91% men. So very few women are watching. Out of like, say like 10,000, 20,000 views per day, it's like 2,000 will be women and 18,000 men across the videos. Top, and you're all from the United States, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Canada, so the Western countries. This is who the gurus are. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. I'll next do Ethereum. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.